Hello all. In today's episode of Beyond Papers with Aditya, I'll tell you a few companies who have declared their dividend and the dividend is likely to be paid in June. So, before starting with it, I'll tell you a few terminologies that you need to know. First, what is dividend? Dividend is the amount that the company gives to its shareholders from its profit. Whatever is the dividend amount to be paid is decided by the board of directors of the company. Second, we need to know how the dividend is calculated. The dividend is calculated based upon the face value of the share of the company. Suppose a company has a face value of rupees 10. And if the company decides to give a dividend of rupees 1000, means the company will give a dividend of rupees 100, that is 1000% of 10, that is rupees 100. Now this is not a very good factor to know how much the company is giving actually. So the better factor to know here is dividend yield. Dividend yield is a value you get by dividing the dividend value upon the current market price of the share. Now the further stocks that I will tell you, the dividend yield is calculated based upon the last traded price, that is LTP of the share on 3rd June. So the dividend yield is calculated based upon the price of the share on 3rd June at 3:30 p.m. Also, the next term that you need to know is the ex-dividend date. Ex-dividend date is the date before which you need to buy the share in order to avail the dividend. So stock 1. Torrent Power. It is a power distribution and transmission company. It is a mid-cap company with very low risk. They have declared a dividend of rupees 5.5 and the dividend yield is 1.25%. The ex-dividend date of this stock is 24th of June 2021. Stock 2 is Tata Chemicals. It is a mid-cap company into diversified chemicals with moderate risk of investment. They have declared a dividend of rupees 10, the dividend yield is 1.37% and the ex-dividend date is 14th of June. Stock 3 is Nippon Life India Asset Management Limited. It's a company into asset management. It's a mid-cap company with low risk. They have declared a dividend of rupees 5, the dividend yield is 1.35% and the ex-dividend date is 10th of June. Stock 4 is Supreme Petrochem Limited. It is a small cap company into chemicals and the risk is also moderate. They have declared a dividend of rupees 12.5 with a dividend yield of 1.59% and the ex-dividend date is 26th of June. Stock 5 is Tata Steel. It is a large cap company into iron and steel with moderate risk of investment. They have declared a dividend of rupees 25. The dividend yield is 2.22% and the ex-dividend date is 17th of June. Stock 6 is Tata Investment Corporation. Again, it is a small cap company into asset management with very low risk. They have declared a dividend of rupees 24. The dividend yield is 2.2% and the ex-dividend date is 16th of June. Last but not the least, we have BPCL, that is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. It is a company into oil refinery and management. It's a large cap company with moderate risk of investment. They have declared a dividend of rupees 58 and the dividend yield comes to 12.23%, but they have not yet declared the ex-dividend date of this stock. These are some of the stocks out of many which I have handpicked to tell you, but there are also many other stocks which will have their ex-dividend date in June. To know more about all these stocks, check out the link in the description. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you.